If you want to customize always on display on POCO X7 Pro, we need to go to the settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find personalization and then choose it. And then over here you will find always on display. Here you can enable and disable it, of course, but if you want to customize it and use a different theme, then we have multiple different ones. We have a signature, we have analog clock, kaleidoscope, digital clock, and a background with a clock. And we can also use a custom image for the AOD as well. Now let's say I'm gonna choose this digital clock, and we can enable and disable, for instance, the information about the battery and enable and disable notifications. And of course, if you want it, you can apply it. For instance, if you use this clock over here, then we also have the option to change the color of this clock. So let's say we can choose something like this. We can change the style as well. We can also change color automatically over time. And once again, information about the battery and notifications. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!